The AC Hotel Lake Buena Vista is a 196-room Marriott brand property that is located just minutes to Walt Disney World. In this video, we are going to give you a tour of the hotel and if we think you should here during your next visit to Orlando. The rooms are fairly spacious and feature modern decor. During our stay there was plenty of room to relax and spread out. We did a speed test of the wireless internet. As you can see from the results, it was quite fast. Hotel rates range from around than $150 per night to less than $300 per night. There are no resort fees, but parking costs $18 per night. Hotel amenities were considered to be adequate for a property at this price point. Hotel dining options are limited to the hotel bar and lobby marketplace. The best features of this hotel is its proximity to Walt Disney World. All the Disney theme parks and Disney Springs are just minutes away. As you can see from this video, it took us about 10 minutes to get to the Magic Kingdom. We found the quickest route was to jump on Interstate 4 and get off at Epcot Center Drive. While we're making the drive to the Magic Kingdom, let's go for a ride on Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind at Epcot.
Well? Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done? I think we're jumping back.
Oh, Christ. The big bang!
Perfect timing as we just made it to the parking entrance to the Magic Kingdom. While the amenities and dining options are limited, the AC Hotel is a nice property and is a great value for the money. If you are looking for an inexpensive place to stay during your next visit to Walt Disney World, we'd recommend staying here. Learn more about the AC Hotel and other great Orlando area properties by visiting our website.